x to the power 2 over a square plus lambda plus y square over b square plus lambda equal to 1, then prove that in the bracket x plus y into dy over dx, dy dx actually, not over, dy dx into x minus y into dx dy. Okay, and that is equal to, we have to show a square minus b square. Okay, now start the solution. Okay, solution, and that is x square over a square plus lambda plus y square over b square plus lambda equal to 1. Okay, differentiate both sides with respect to x. Then we got here twice x over a square plus lambda plus twice y suffix 1, that is y1, and that is over b square plus lambda, and that is equal to derivative of 1 is 0, and this is implies that it can be written as x over a square plus lambda, and that is equal to minus y1 over, that is b square plus lambda, let us assume that is k say. Okay, k say, then that is implies that we got here from this a square plus lambda, and that is equal to x by k, and this is, let us assume as 1, and b square plus lambda, and that is equal to minus y1 over k, that is 2. Okay, now subtracting from 1 and 2. Okay, now doing 1 minus 2, then a square minus b square, and that is equal to x over k minus plus y1 over k. Okay, implies that k equal to x plus y1 over a square minus b square. Okay, that is let us assume 3. Now from the original equation, let us assume this is as a okay, now from from a comma this is 1 comma and 2, then put here a square plus lambda, and that is equal to x by k. B square plus lambda, this is a b square plus lambda, and that is equal to y1 minus y1 by k. Okay, put equation number a. Okay, so see, that is x square, see that is x square over x by k. Okay, plus y square, this is minus y1 over k. Okay, and this is equal to 1, implies that from this we can write k times of x minus, that is y over y1, no, this is y over y1, and that is equal to 1. This is equation number 4 from 3 and 4. From 3 and 4 we eliminating k, so that is within the bracket x plus y1 whole divided by a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Okay, into x minus y over, that is y1, and this is equal to 1, and here implies that it can be written as x plus y1. y1 means this is dy dx, in the bracket x minus y over y1, and that is actually y into that is dx over dy, not over dx dy. Okay, and that is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, and this is proved. Thank you for watching my video.